Welcome, friends, to today's free class on prescriptive analytics in HR. Today, we'll explore how predictive analytics can revolutionize HR decision-making. Whether you're a seasoned HR professional or new to the field, get ready to uncover valuable insights that will transform the way you approach HR strategies. Let's kick things off by understanding what prescriptive analytics is all about and how it can empower HR departments. Prescriptive analytics takes us beyond simply describing what happened or predicting what might happen. It provides actionable recommendations for what we should do to achieve the best possible outcomes. In HR, this means leveraging data insights to develop strategic recommendations that drive positive organizational changes. Developing recommendations in HR involves a systematic approach. We start by analyzing HR data to identify trends and patterns, then simulate different scenarios to understand potential outcomes. Collaboration with key stakeholders is crucial in ensuring that our recommendations align with organizational goals and values. Now let's dive into a real-life case study to see prescriptive analytics in action. Imagine HR Solutions, a consulting firm working with a retail company, RetailX. HR Solutions analyzed RetailX's workforce data and discovered a concerning trend of high turnover rates among customer service representatives. Using prescriptive analytics, they recommended implementing flexible scheduling options, improving training programs, and enhancing recognition initiatives to boost employee morale and reduce turnover. The implementation of these recommendations led to a significant decrease in turnover rates and an improvement in customer satisfaction scores at RetailX. This success story demonstrates the transformative impact of prescriptive analytics on HR decision-making and organizational performance. In conclusion, prescriptive analytics equips HR professionals with the insights and tools needed to make informed decisions that drive positive outcomes for their organizations. By harnessing the power of data, we can develop tailored recommendations that address specific HR challenges and elevate the employee experience. Thank you all for joining me in this free class on prescriptive analytics in HR. I hope you found this session insightful and empowering. Don't forget to stay curious and keep exploring the exciting world of HR analytics. Until next time, take care and be happy analyzing.